Hey everyone, welcome back to AdsOptics. Today we're diving into an essential topic for anyone looking to grow their online presence. How to set up SEO for your website. Let's get started. Step 1. Keyword research. Start by identifying the right keywords for your niche. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, and SEMrush to find keywords with high search volume and low competition. Focus on long-tail keywords as they are easier to rank for. Step 2. On-page optimization. Optimize your content by including your target keywords in the title tag, meta description, headings, and throughout the body text. Make sure your content is valuable and relevant to your audience. Step 3. Technical SEO. Ensure your website is technically sound. This includes having a clean and organized site structure, creating an XML sitemap, and making sure your site is mobile-friendly and loads quickly. Step 4. Content creation. Create high-quality, engaging content that provides value to your audience. This could be blog posts, videos, infographics, or any other format that resonates with your target audience. Consistent content creation helps improve your SEO ranking. Step 5. Link building. Build high-quality backlinks from reputable websites. This can be done through guest blogging, influencer outreach, or creating shareable content that others will link to. Backlinks are a strong signal to search engines that your site is credible. And there you have it. Those are the basics of setting up SEO for your website. Remember, SEO is an ongoing process, so keep refining your strategy and stay updated with the latest trends. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to AdsOptics for more digital marketing tips. See you next time.